Okay. Next game is for Colin and Jeff. Colin and Jeff, come on out. Colin and Jeff. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. I think this woman in the red top over here in the corner of the thing. Come on down here real quick. There's a guy up on the row here. The red shirt. Come on down here, buddy. There you go, you. This is going to be fantastic. I can tell. What's your name? Holly. Holly. Nice to meet you, Holly. What's your name?
Jeff.
Holly and Jeff, come on out here. Have us stand there right on the tee. Have your microphones. What do you do for a living, Holly?
I work in insurance.
You work in insurance. Fantastic for sound effects. And what do you do for a living? Jeff?
I sell cigarettes.
You sell cigarettes? All right. You know, his throat's going to be nice and ready to go with the sound effects.
I don't smoke, though.
You don't smoke? Oh, you just sell them. Okay, good. Don't use your own product. Very important.
Don't get high in your own supply.
Don't get high in your own supply. Let's see. From the audience, I need a suggestion of a place you would find adventure. Alaska. All right. Okay, this scene's set in Alaska. You guys are doing the sound effects you're doing for Jeff. You're doing it for Colin. Take it away to Alaska.
You cold?
Very cold.
I think that's cold. Listen to my nipples.
You froze him right off.
I don't care.
Why did we come up here? The wind is going right through me.
Luckily, it doesn't last very long.
Yeah, it just kind of comes and then...
Look, penguins.
Oh, penguins. They're like nature's clown. Listen, inside the igloo.
There's a door.
Oh. I got some bad news for us.
What?
I just heard on the radio that the storms are really coming in. Listen to the radio.
The storms are coming in.
You know what? I think it's a way we can actually stop the storm.
Stop the storm?
Get your jetpack and get out.
My jetpack.
You heard me.
Okay, I hope it's not frozen.
Strap in.
Let's go out the door.
Click.
We haven't tried these jetpacks out. Who knows what's going to happen when I fire it up?
You know, if we go above the clouds and seed them with... What's that?
It's broken.
Oh.
What were you saying?
I said if we go above the clouds and seed them with this, it'll stop the storm. I saw it in the National Geographic special. Don't shake it.
Oh, sorry.
It may go off.
All right. I'll start your jetpack up.
Vroom. Vroom, vroom, vroom. Okay, I'm going.
Okay.
What about you?
Powered by a grizzly bear.
Watch out for those eagles.
It's so sad.
Yeah, I know. Well, they're cold. Oh, no. I'm losing altitude.
Me too.
Boom.
Stupid jetpacks. We're going to have to survive on our own. Good thing I've left a sled dog team right over there. Listen, there's 14 dogs. 12 of them are dead. But there's 14 dogs over there.
All right, let's pack up and make our way ahead of the storm. What are you doing with the New Year's Eve party favor? Use the whip. Like that.
Okay, good. You lead the team then. Like a little music?
Yes.
Like a little easy listening?
Oh, I love it.
La 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 la.
Not quite easy listening.
Well, I know you like the hardcore heavy metal. Yeah!
Oh, I love Yeah. They're my favorite band.
Kind of a short song, isn't it?
Oh, my God.
Oh, wait! The news with the storm information. We should find out what the storm is doing.
The storm is getting worse.
Look on the radar.
Beep, 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 beep.
There's a bunch of storms.
Or someone's playing Frogger. Oh, got hit by the alligator.
Look, a giant Arctic hurricane.
Arctic hurricane!
It's gone.
Thank you, guys. That was fantastic. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Hey, how about it for our audience members? Nice round of applause. We'll be right back. Don't go away. All right, welcome back. Welcome back to the Grease Show. In this next game, we're going to tell you a little story. Greg's going to lead us. What's going to happen is we're going to tell you a story one person at a time. Greg's going to point to us one at a time, and then when he points to the next person, they have to finish what the other person was saying and keep the story going like that. None of us knowing what the other person's saying until they get to us. So, it's really fun. What I need from you is I need a kind of a character like a Paul Bunyan type character.
Onion Sam.
Onion Sam!
Yeah!
Onion Sam! Good for you. There you go.
Onion Sam.
Onion Sam. So this is the tale of Onion Sam, led by Mr. Greg Proops.
Bigger than a potato, taller than a yam. Who is it? It's Onion Sam. He don't care, he don't give a damn. Who is it? It's Onion
Sam. I'm Onion Sam. He cried as he burst through the doors of the cantina.
He had made a name for himself planting onion trees throughout the West.
Yes, he was the only one that had managed to figure out how to make onions grow on trees.
I'm tired of digging in the dirt to get my onions. I want to be able to reach up and pick them.
You ain't seen nothing like an onion orchard. It's the finest thing. It brings a tear to your eye for sure. Sure, they're stinky trees, but they're beautiful too.
Becky loved Onion Sam more than life itself.
They were the best couple anyone in that town had ever seen. Until a new stranger came into town that...
French fry kid. He was trying a new side dish.
Mashed French fries.
They realized that their side dish of delicious julienne onions might be going the way of the crocodile toe.
Oh, they used to love crocodile toe in Arizona.
But now no one even ordered it no more.
Onion Sam thought it's time to take this into my own hands. I must make a way to make my onions
Bigger, stronger. I want onions as big as...
Your eye, and then some.
He was, of course, talking to the person with the biggest eye in the world.
That was Becky. And whenever he talked to her, she would start crying.
Crying huge tears.
She had optic encephalitis, which means overly swollen eyeballs the size of cantaloupes.
French fry kid stepped through the door, strode stridently.
What a strident stroder you are, he said to him.
Strodent, really. The Onion Sam said, look, French fry kid, maybe we could work together and make a side dish.
All of a sudden, she came up with a great...
Side dish to combine the two things together.
Potatoey, oniony goodness.
Faster than a bunny with
Nothing on him at all, no clothes.
suit or anything. Becky quickly got some oil,
Put it in a big bowl.
And fried up some onions.
And some potatoes.
the aroma hit the townspeople. One by one, they ran into the...
Store and said, what is that beautiful smell?
It's Petunion.
The sweet, wafted aroma of Petunion had hit that beautiful town.
Square between Becky's big eyes. They joined hands and they...
sang an ode to onions and potatoes. And it went...
A little something like this.
When you're getting there sooner or later.
There's nothing more tastier than a potato.
When you're feeling like you're tired of standing on your bunion.
You gotta try our new Petunion.